What's up everyone, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. LSpeed is a Magisk module which is available for almost all the devices which have Magisk Manager installed. You can install LSpeed Magisk module which helps in increasing the performance of your device, also helps in increase the battery backup of your device and a lot more things. Make sure to watch this video till the end to understand everything. I'll try to show you what LSpeed can do for your device. So let's get started right now. Okay, so this is, as you can see, Magisk Manager. I have already installed the latest version of Magisk Manager. When you go to module section, like I have just installed this LSpeed Magisk module right now. It will be updated at next reboot. How you have to install it? You can download the file from the download link in the description. Then you have to go to the plus icon. Then you have to locate to the location, and here I have already pre-installed as I already told you. So you just have to click this and it will be installed successfully, and it will be look like this. So after installing and after reboot, you will see this is an app which could be installed on your device. And after installing, simply open it and you have to grant the root permission to this app. So if I have already actually granted it, as you can see, LSpeed was granted super user rights. After just opening this app, you will see this type of home screen where you get the main tweaks like Boost Now, Kill Media Server, Boost Scheduler and a lot more things. Boost Now actually boosts your RAM. So as you can see, after clicking on Boost Now, your some memory or some RAM will be freed up, which helps for less RAM devices. And Boost Scheduler option is also available here: 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, 4, 8, 12 or 24. It means if you click on 30 minutes, every 30 minutes it will free up your RAM, which is a very cool thing. You don't have to do anything. After 30 minutes your RAM will be freed up. Here also extra customization option like kernel modification, disable debugging. If you don't know what's going on and what this option means, you can click on I button and there's everything written here: disables read-write debugging operations and a lot more things. You can enable or disable any setting from here, and one of the best thing is if you enable any setting, you don't have to reboot anytime. As you can see, executing scripts. It will not ask you to reboot your device even once. It will just execute script at that time, and yes, you are done. As you can see, disable debugging activated. These are the things which you get here. Very cool thing. Also here you have some extra customization options like allow higher YouTube resolution. If you choose on an unsupported device, you can enable these options: 1080p, 1440 or even 4K. Nowadays, as corona times, you cannot enable these options because YouTube has restricted the quality to 480p. But after that, you can, when YouTube will not restrict that quality, then you can easily enable 4K option in non-supported devices too. Obviously it will lag and some other things. Windows animation, scale, transition, animator, a lot of things are available here. Here you get a lot of options like profiles, dashboard, battery, CPU tuner and settings and cleaner. Let me just show you cleaner. If you have a less storage space, you can clean the app cache. Click here, it will search for app cache, and as you can see, 77 MB of app cache found. You can simply delete, and without having issues, your 77 MB space will be cleared up. You can also clean the junk files, and these options are really helpful for almost all the devices. You can wipe the cache partition, you can wipe the Dalvik cache, and in settings option, some extra options like theme, color navigation bar, show animations and a lot more. These are the settings you get here. If you don't want to set up each setting as your own, you can simply move on to profile section, and here you have to just grant the storage permission, and you can backup or restore your profiles the settings which you have already did. And when you go to profile section, you have the option to choose whichever script you want. You can choose battery, you can choose balanced, or even you can choose performance. So obviously if you choose battery, it will focus on battery tuning scripts. As you can see, scheduler tuner enabled and some other things. It will enable all the scripts which helps to improve your battery backup. Even if you have 3000 mAh battery, 4000 mAh or 5000 mAh battery, you obviously want to save up battery as much as you can. So this module can help you a lot more in that case. As you can see, net buffers big. It will automatically enhance all the things and can help to improve your battery backup. Also, it has some other options. If you choose balanced, it will make balance between your battery and performance, so you will not see battery drainage including your performance type. That's a very cool thing. And at last, add performance. So like if you want to play games, and that's why you can use these options. There are a lot of options available in this app, so just go and try it out right now. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.